This is a quick tutorial about gift taxes. I'm Claire Langton Janowitz, an attorney at the Janowitz Law Firm, where we help families with wills, trusts, and probate. Okay, let's get started. So I get a lot of questions from clients about gift taxes all the time. So I wanted to make a little video about them. The first question I want to answer is, when do I have to file a gift tax return? Generally speaking, it's when you give away someone more than what's called the annual exclusion. And the annual exclusion in 2022 is $16,000. That number increases with inflation. It just increased this year, so it probably won't increase for a little while. But basically, if you give someone less than $16,000, you don't ever have to file a gift tax return. The government doesn't want to know that you gave your grandma slippers last year. That's under the threshold. It's only when you give a single person more than $16,000 in a calendar year, you may have to report that gift to the government. Now, there's some exceptions to the $16,000 threshold. First exception, if you pay someone's tuition directly, so that means you're writing a check directly to the University of Minnesota to pay for your child's college tuition, then that's not subject to the $16,000 at all. You can pay unlimited amounts. You never will have to file a gift tax return for tuition payments directly. Another exception is the medical exception. You can pay someone's medical insurance premiums directly, so paying Blue Cross Blue Shield directly, or paying the medical institution directly, like the Mayo Clinic. You can pay the Mayo Clinic directly, someone's medical bills, and you never have to report that gift. So those are two exceptions to know about. Now, when people have to file a gift tax return, they often have to file a gift tax return, but rarely they actually owe any taxes to pay on that. And that is because the exemption for gift taxes is $12,060,000. So just a little bit over $12 million. If you make gifts in excess of that, that's when you actually have to pay. So almost no one pays gift tax, right? But a lot of people have to file gift tax returns. Now, when you actually have to file a gift tax return, what that does is it decreases the amount you're able to give away at death. On the federal level, so for example, let's say you make $1 million gift in 2022, you report that on a gift tax return. Approximately $1 million minus the annual exclusion, $16,000. So approximately $1 million, your exemption will be decreased at death. So instead of having about $12 million in exemption at death, you're going to have $11 million. I'm using round numbers just to make it easier. But you know, this doesn't affect most people anyway, because a lot of people aren't in the 12 million category. But that is something to know. What happens when you file a gift tax return, it reduces the amount you're able to give away at death on a federal level. Now, on a Minnesota level, we have something called a 3-year pullback. So if you make large gifts that you have to report on a tax return, they can come back into your estate at death if you made that gift within 3 years of your death. So let's say you're on a deathbed and you say, aha, I've got a good idea. I'll just give away all my money before I die. That way I won't owe any money to Minnesota in estate taxes at death. Well, Minnesota will say, nope, we've already thought of that one. You gave away this gift right before you died. It's subject to the 3-year pullback. So even though you didn't technically own this property when you died, it will be treated as though you did own it at your death. That is something to be aware of. Thanks for listening about the short tutorial on gift taxes. If you have other ideas you would like me to talk about as I give these video tutorials, give us a comment in the comment section of YouTube, and we can make more videos based upon interest of the audience. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.